just want to start off by saying hello. Thank you so much for having us here tonight. I want to make a direct reference to these girls. Hold the pictures up, girls. When we got in from the airport today, people were holding up pictures of their mums. What a lovely welcome, wouldn't you say so, Tom?
Mummy.
Mummy!
Yeah. It's nice.
It's very nice, it's very nice. And what a warm welcome we've had so far. You guys are so loud, thank you so much. Thank you. Now, Buffalo, a friend of ours lives near here. He's not more than a friend. He wrote a lot of our songs actually. His name's John Ryan, he's here tonight. And I want tonight to be super special for Mr. John Ryan. So can we just give it up for John Ryan really quickly? And on that note, because tonight is so special, you have to be the loudest. Are you going to be the loudest? I thought so. Anyway, enjoy yourselves. Please keep singing along. This is Midnight Red.